With the latest version of Google Maps, now you can download the maps for offline use in your Android phone. Today we'll show how to do this in your Samsung Galaxy S phone. First, what you need to do, you need to update your maps. So go to Google Play and then go to My Apps, and you can see that the maps, Google Maps is ready to be updated. So you can click update, and then now you can see which version of map it is. So you go to settings and then about. So you need to update to version 6.9.0 or even higher. If you want to make available this map for offline use, you click on the list menu, and then it has an option. Now it has an option to make available offline. So just click on this, and then you select the area which you want to make available. So if you want to make available whole London or whole UK or different city, simply zoom it. Let's say now we will make available only London area. So you select the London area. So this is M25. So this is whole London, and then it at the same time it will show how much data it is going to download. For example, if you want to download the London map, it shows 41 MB. So in order to make it fast, just for an example, we reduce the area so that it can download the data faster. So we just download the Croydon area map. So this shows less than 1 MB, and then we say done. So it shows it is downloading the data for Croydon, and it shows this map is saved to device, and now we have this Croydon map available for our offline use. In the same way, if you wish to add another city, you can also tap on new offline map. So you just click here, and then you can type the region, for example Paris. So it shows Paris, France, and then you select map. So the whole Paris estimated size is 7 MB. So you say done. It's done. It shows map save to divide. Now we have Paris and Croydon map. In this way you can save the data for offline use for any city or any part of the world. Please note this is only the maps, not the satellite images. But it is anyway useful when you are commuting from different place to different place, and this will save cost of your data when you are traveling. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.